Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove green screen using Filmora editor. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. So here I have two videos added to media in Filmora. One is the background video and the other one is our green screen video. So I'm going to take this background video and drag and drop it to video track 1. And the green screen video, drag and drop it to video track 2, right above that one. Just like that. And next I'm going to play and see how it looks with the green screen on. Okay, so what we want to do is remove this green color here so that we could see our background video here in track 1. And to do that, we have to select this video with the green screen, then navigate here to the top right, here under video. By default, we're under basic. Just make sure you move and click here onto AI matting. Open AI matting and activate Chroma Key. Once you do that, you can see that the green screen has been automatically removed. If not, just make sure you click on the color picker right here and then click on the preview window on the color that you wanted to remove. And once you do that, Chroma Key will do the magic and remove that color, so you will be able to see the background. Okay? One additional thing here is I'm just going to adjust the duration so both videos match like that. Okay, replay and see how it looks. Okay, perfect. This is basically how you remove green screen in Filmora, quick and easy. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.